If your Onn TV is showing a black screen, here are 10 reliable methods to fix it. Let's dive straight into troubleshoot method 1. Check for loose cables. Ensure all HDMI, power, and other cables are securely connected. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as a loose cable. Method 2. Change input source. Your TV may be set to the wrong input. Use the remote control to cycle through HDMI, AV, and other inputs to see if the screen comes back. Method 3. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the TV from the wall and wait for at least 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds while unplugged, then plug it back in. Method 4. Reset TV via remote. If the screen is still black but you hear sound, try this remote reset method. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds. If the TV doesn't reset, find the reset option in the TV settings menu using the remote. Method 5. Inspect the backlight. Shine a flashlight closely on the screen to see if any image is faintly visible. If you see an image, the TV's backlight might be malfunctioning, and a technician should check it. Method 6. Test a different HDMI port. Your HDMI port may be faulty. Switch to a different HDMI port on the TV, or try using a different HDMI cable. Method 7. Update TV firmware. If your TV still shows signs of life, like sound but no picture, try updating the TV's firmware. Instructions should be in the settings menu under Software Update. Method 8. External device issue. If your TV is connected to an external device like a gaming console or cable box, disconnect it and try turning on the TV without it. Sometimes the black screen is caused by the device, not the TV itself. Method 9. Factory reset the TV. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset. This option can typically be found in the TV settings menu. Be aware that this will erase all settings and return the TV to its original state. Method 10. Check for capacitor damage. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can open the TV and inspect the capacitors on the motherboard. Swollen or leaking capacitors might be the root of the issue and will need replacing. If none of these work, it might be time to consult a professional technician for further diagnosis.